this is where this all began, right here. Right, Daddy?
Yes, ma'am.
But I would say, I ain't gonna tell you how many years ago, but it was a lot of them. But we're so glad to have him here today. My mentor, my dad, love this guy very much. Wouldn't have it any other way. So, Dad, I'm gonna ask these questions. Y'all just kind of bear with us here because this is how we're doing it right now. Okay, okay. So, Dad, was I a help to you or was I a hinder? Tell the people.
Well, to me, you was a help and you was a hinder.
What?
You was both of them.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Well,
How so? I was in the way, meddling.
You was in the way, fumbling around, messing with my tools.
Mm-hmm.
And when I needed you most, that's when you was a help to me.
Oh, wow.
When I needed some tools or something like that, she was a big help to me. She did real good.
Uh-huh. Okay.
She learned fast.
Wow.
Yeah, she was swift learner.
Swift learner. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it may not be a word for learning, but
no, that's what we'll take. Hey, we'll run with that, right, people? Did my dad? He can say what you want to. This is my show, okay? He can say that. You can say that. So anyway, I remember a time, y'all, when my hands would get cold, and it would be cold outside, and I need to kind of like get them thawed out a little bit, and I would run in the house, and at that time they had gas stoves and ovens, and I would place my hands over that, and he would be looking for me, right? Now you got used to me helping you by then, right?
yeah.
He's kind of missing me a little bit.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, see that. Yeah. So anyway, here I come. I didn't care if I got dirty or anything because I was with my daddy working on cars. And so to this day, many years later, I have been in the automobile industry for over 27 years. And we have a mission today, and that's to educate and empower women about auto repair and maintenance. But this guy right here, this is where it all started. Right, Dad?
Right.
So what you think about all that? You think I'm a pretty good person, knowledgeable about cars and stuff like that?
You're not only pretty good, you're good at it.
I'm good at it.
Thank God for you being that type of lady.
Yeah.
Yeah. Being my daughter on top of that.
Would you say I followed your footsteps a little bit?
Yeah, you followed my footsteps.
Yeah. Man, ain't nothing like it. That's a blessing to have a dad, a father to teach me all that and that I know. And it helped me help so many people save hundreds and thousands of dollars on simple repairs they could have easily gotten ripped off with. But and I always remind them, Dad, and I would work here with those technicians. You do know that. Remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because they would try to tell me something, and I always think about, what did Daddy say about that? And that's the honest God truth. So I just want to say thank you, Dad, for being here today, allowing us to have this conversation with you.
We enjoy it.
Who was we? You have a third person? You know somebody I don't know?
Yeah, I know Miss Jackie.
Well, she don't count. She over there. Booger couldn't even booger.
Get it straight.
Yeah.
But I know one thing, the both of y'all are the best, and I think you, Mr. Handsome, because you are the one that has helped me through Ava.
Yeah.
And my daughter as well.
Yeah.
So you guys have become great assets in my life in regard to my vehicles and my daughter's vehicles.